What's the weirdest guest that you've had? Can you say without insulting anybody? Or is everybody just really nice? Are they on their best behavior?
Everyone is absolutely their best behavior, but one guest did tell me that they wanted to stay with me so bad. I only found this out after they stayed with me, that they were reloading my page like thousands of times.
Oh my God.
And I thought to myself, I don't think it's a good sign, but maybe a little bit much, but it turned out to be an amazing person.
Like concert tickets, right?
Like this reload. And I'm like, these chips are not worth it. I got to be honest with you. Like, they're pretty average baker.
Oh, that's great.
But I have to say, Brian, if I'm a single girl out there and I find out that Brian Chesky is single and I can like stay in his house,
there she
have
goes.
you ever?
There you go.
Right to the relationship, Brian. You don't have to be feel pressured.
No, but we've never talked about this.
He just got here.
Have you ever?
Her and her husband have tried to set me up before, so
I'm very invested in Brian's love life. But so you've never met anybody that way? Have you found?
No, I haven't. Most of the people who've stayed are couples, actually.
Oh, that's
sweet.
It's.
But now that you've given the whole world an idea, gee whiz! Wait, so Barack has actually tried to fix you up.
Oh yeah,
is he any good at it?
We'll see, I guess. Remains to be seen. But he's definitely very invested, and he's provided a lot of relationship advice to me, actually.
Now, y'all know, I pay close attention to people's body language, and I'm, a little bit taken back by the fact that she said, if I were single. That should never come out of a married person's mouth. Ever. It's disrespectful. That should never come out of a married person's mouth. If I were single. You're not. You're married. You've been married for, I want to say at least, 2 decades? Like, come on. Like, what are we doing, man? What are we doing? This Michelle has been going, completely off script with, doing these podcasts and different things like that, man. It seems like the more that she speaks, the more it seems like, I don't know, she got something against Barack. Like, that's what I'm getting from listening to. And I'm going to be honest, I even tried to stay away from, like, the first clips I was watching. I was like, you know what? I don't want to touch it, because if somebody is married, somebody's in a relationship, I don't really like to do a deep dive. But something like this, like, that's like a freaking thorn that's sticking out. I had to bring this up, because this right here, it should never happen. You should never go on a freaking campaign basically putting down your significant other. And to me, that's what it seems like she's doing. Like, at every turn, it seems like you're trying to put him down, or you're making him and you're making yourself look bad by speaking. This is why certain people, most people that are married, especially wives, it's better if you just play the background. I don't think that most of them should honestly be putting themselves out here, because what you do is you're literally opening up room for people to attack your character. And these clips are literally going viral. Like, this is not me just saying stuff. Like, her clips are literally going viral. People are dissecting the things that she's saying.
Believe me, as a busy single mother.
Wait, what was that?
Believe me, as a busy single mother.
You heard it right. The First Lady accidentally called herself a single mother in an interview with a Vermont reporter from WCAX, but she quickly corrected herself.
Or I should say single, as a busy mother. Sometimes when you got the husband who's president, it can feel a little single, but he's there.
I wonder what Dad has to say about all this.
The part at the end with Denzel playing Malcolm that's hilarious. But did she clean it up though? Was that a clean up? Like it? But if you look at all the rest of the other first ladies, they are not this vocal. They are literally not. I don't understand why in the world we have our women that continue to think that this is the way to go. I mean, clearly people have not prepped you for you to be in the limelight like this. Saying certain things that's going to damage your image and his. You know, like you literally have to be prepped for these type of things. You got a lot of people that's looking up to you. You got people that literally hang on to your every word. So you set yourself up. Like, come on, man. Come on. And when I first seen this clip, like I wanted to make sure that I got a little bit of context. So this is actually the clip that I seen at first.
You know, I have to say, Brian, if I'm a single girl out there and I find out that Brian Chesky is single and I can like stay in his house,
there she
have
goes.
you ever?
There you go.
Right to the relationship, Brian. You don't have to be feel pressured.
No, but we've never talked about this.
He just got here.
Have you ever?
Her and her husband have tried to set me up before, so
I'm very invested in Brian's love life. But so you've never met anybody that way? Have you found?
No.
He was trying to say her and her husband, you know, have been trying to set me up for it. Yeah, I'm very. Come on, man. She keep making it about her. If I were single, I'm very invested in his relationships. Not a good look. Point blank period. It's not a good look at all. And I don't care how you try to shape this thing up. It just don't look and it don't sound good. And this should not come out of a married woman's mouth, let alone what used to be the first. You know what? I'm going to end it right there, man. I would absolutely love to hear from you guys. Maybe there's something that I may have overlooked. Or maybe, you know, I'm getting the wrong interpretation from looking at this video. Please, anybody that can help steer me down or steer us down a different path, you know, maybe look at it from a different point of view. Please comment down below and help us out. All right, until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.